the next section we're expecting them to take down. This is the green and gold team hallway, and also is home to our ELL program. And then over here is the 6th grade hall. That's the teal hall. We're expecting that to come down after the gold and green hall is taken down, because all the windows are out over there in the gold and green hall. Right now I'm watching them pull some metal piping out of the boiler room. The boiler room walls were taken out yesterday. Continuing to work on the boiler room area. Lots of metal in there. Looks like a hot water tank there. There's some liquid coming out of it. We've got a ladder at the entranceway. Armand Larive, we're looking at it from the back side, and I'm zoomed in here, and I'm not sure what they're doing, but it looks like maybe they're going to try to take that Armand Larive sign down. So we'll see what happens. If they do take that sign down, then behind that sign is the old Union High School name etched in the stone. So we'll see what happens. I'll take a trip over there a little bit later and see if they actually did take that sign down. Removing the Armand Larive Middle School home of the bullpup sign, and in a moment we're going to see the original Union High School etched in on the original entryway there. Removed the Armand Larive Middle School home of the bullpups sign, and we now see the original Union High School, which was the name of this school when it was first built. Union High School, District number 9. I was just able to save a souvenir on behalf of the school. This is the sign that was on the front of the school, Armand Larive Middle School, home of the bullpups. And I'm going to try to get this into my car, and we'll take it to the new school. And if I don't have room, I'll have to have somebody haul it for me. Well, the prize of the day is I preserved the Armand Larive Middle School home of the bullpups sign, and I'm going to bring that over to the new school because I'm sure we can find a place for it.